Hello guys, let me show you this HDMI output, HDMI adapter to USB-C type output from CHOETECH, powered to the best. So ang ko na to, this adapter cable are good for live streaming, as they said, from network. Ayan, this one you can see. So let's unbox these things. A small piece, power to the best, and later on I will try this to use. So let's unbox this and see what is inside. This small like card to enjoy our new gadgets. Join us, FB group choice VIP, 18 months warranty. Need help? 18 months warranty. I bought it from online, Amazon. So this one, ganito lang. It's like 8 inches. Ito lang siya kahaba. So I will use this. No more inside. So it support resolution up to 4K 6 Hz and deliver high definition audio and video. And reversible connector allow easy plug into most Type-C enabled device. Plug and play without additional tools for your simple and convenient use. Compact and lightweight with premium braided cable and aluminum shielding. Ito, aluminum shielding. The surface is aluminum, and this one is like very heavy duty cable. So HDMI adapter, this is the end, and the other end is C type, USB type adapter output. So let's continue this video later. I will try to connect it to the USB cable and to my video captured card. Let's see. For the meantime, I will post this video.